morning reception. It's Monday the 25th of January and this is your good morning video. Going to run through the activities that you've got for today. So as always, you've got your phonics lesson to start with. Each of the groups have got something slightly different to do. So group 1, you're going to be doing the k sound today. So you have a worksheet that looks like this one, as always, where you practice your letter formation. And then we would like you to have a go at the sound blending activity sheet, which is the same as last week, using your Fred Talk to sound out the words to your children and then the children to say them back. So, for example, it, and then the children will say kit. And then in activity 2, they're going to use the Fred Talk, read the word to practice reading them. So the children will say it, kit. So that's group 1's phonics. Group 2, as we discussed on Friday, you have now completed all of the phonic sounds. So you've got some phonic related activities, but they're not on individual sounds. So for today, it's the I Spy Read. You need to draw a line or talk about it. It's completely up to you how you fill it in. Read the words and then try and find the matching picture. So for example, pan, and then can you find the picture of the pan in the box in the middle, which is here. So if you want to, you can draw lines to them or you can just point to them as you're playing the game, and then you could always revisit it another time if you wanted to. And then as we did last week, you are carrying on with the Red Ditty reading sheets. So it's still Ditty 3 today, which is a man and a dog. Practice reading your speed sounds, then do the green words using Fred Talk, read the word, and the red tricky words, the words you just need to learn off by heart. So that's all of the reading activities for phonics today. Maths today is about the number 6. So you're going to go on a number 6 hunt. How many different ways can you see number 6 around your house? Can you get 6 objects? Can you find a number 6 in your house, maybe on the TV remote or on a phone? And then you're going to have a look at the number 6 number formation sheet. So you need to practice forming the number 6. At the bottom, there are some other activities where you need to count how many fingers there are, count the counters in the tens frame, how many bananas are there, and how many monkeys can you see. We'll come back to the overview now. So you can see we've done the phonics and the maths. As we started last week, you have a handwriting video. Please make sure you've got a pencil and a piece of paper for that and watch the video online. Then this afternoon, there are 2 activities. Please watch the story time video first this afternoon, as that will introduce you to your topic work. So you've got a story to watch online, and then your topic work, we're introducing a new topic this week. So our new topic is all about Chinese New Year. So you've got a video introducing you to the topic. You also have this knowledge organizer, which I know some parents asked last week, what's it for? Why have we got these? These are for you as parents to understand what the topic is all about and what sticky knowledge we want the children to go away with. So we will cover these throughout the lessons, but this is just for you to understand that this is what we're focusing on. So can you talk about where China is? Can you find it on the map? Can you talk about what a globe is and look at the different countries, comparing them? There's a story, which is today's story, The Great Race. So we'll talk about that. And it just gives you some vocabulary as well that your children should learn throughout this topic. So that's for you as parents. And then, as always, there is an activity. So once you've watched the video and you've looked at the knowledge organizer and talked about it with your children, you've watched the story, there is an activity about the Great Race, which is the story, which is this activity. So the idea here is once you've watched the story, you'll be able to order all the animals from 1 to 12 in the Great Race. So you've got the pictures here, and then on this next page, you've got the animals to cut out and stick in. So it's talking about numbers, which comes first, which comes next, which is the smallest, which is the biggest. I hope that helps for today. As always, refer back to your overview if you need to. Me and Miss Spencer are still here, so if you've got any questions, please message us on Class Dojo and send us all your pictures as well. We do love seeing what you've been up to. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you tomorrow for some more home learning. Bye, reception.